Hi, I'm Justin Ball, owner of Hammerhead Showers, and in this video I'm going to help you with some troubleshooting on your adjustable shower arm. So over here, you take a look, you have the 12-inch and 16-inch adjustable shower arm, and you should have had a bag of these O-rings included and maybe wondering what they're for. Well, if you're experiencing any leaking from this joint right in here or from this knob on either side, these are replacement O-rings for that. So if I go ahead and I'll take this one. If you unthread, if you are experiencing any leaking, you unthread this knob. And then you just pull this part out, okay? And you can see that there's a large O-ring here and there's a small O-ring here, right? So if any one of these are damaged, that would be the cause of the leak you're experiencing, and you just need to replace these O-rings. In the case here, these are perfectly fine, but what I'll go ahead and do is cut it off and put on a new one just so you can see. So here's the defective O-ring. These should be a little like pre-lubricated. But you're just gonna slide this small one right over the threads right here and just kind of roll it down. Keep on rolling it down. And then boom, just pops right in there. The same would go for this large one, right? You just would have to really give it a stretch over the top. But once you're done, you just pop this right back into place and then thread back down the knob, get it pushed into the locking position, and then set it to how you want it, and that will fix your leak. So if you ever need any of these O-rings or washers, our products are built to last. The only thing you'd ever need to replace, maybe these O-rings in the very, very far future, hopefully never. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. I'm Justin Ball, owner of Hammerhead Showers.